Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I bought a new ring light and a stand, and I'm here to unpack the ring light with you. Thank you so much for your love and support. And this is the stand. I will open it and let you see how tall it is and how strong, and it's very strong, it's very steady. You will see once I connect it to the ring light, and later we'll see. So this is how you open it. You loosen the screw. Once it's loose, you can start to open the bottom like that. There's something I want to show you. If the screw is tight, you can't open the bottom, so you have to unscrew it to make it loose, to make it easier for you to open the bottom part. Once it's loose, it's very easy. It's very easy for you to fix the stand. Every part you have to unscrew to make it flexible for you to adjust the way you want it to be. After you open the orange thing, now you have to unscrew the ring light screw so you can connect it to the stand. But first you have to unscrew to make it easier for you to connect it to the stand, as you can see. Then afterwards you screw it back. And if you want to adjust the ring light, you have to unscrew the top part screw. I hope it makes sense. In any direction that you feel you want to your ring light to face, you can just unscrew the top part and it will be flexible enough. Now I want to fix the clip where you will be placing your phone. That's the area where you fix the clip. And remember, we have 3 sets of the same, but on today's tutorial I will just fix one. As you can see, it's not easy, so take your time to do it. And the clip, it's also adjustable. You can adjust it the way you want it. It's very flexible. You can bend it on your left side, right side, upper. Yeah, it's very flexible. You can fix your phone horizontally or vertically. It's so amazing. And that's the final results for my tripod. Now let me show you how you can change the lighting. You can make it brighter, you can make it dark, depending with the amount of light you want in your room or you want to film with. And that's the final results, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. That's the tripod after fixing. That's the tripod. As you can see there, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any time I post a video. Like, share and comment. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye bye. Let's meet on the next one. And if you wish to buy the ring light or the tripod, I will leave the number on the description box so you can call and inquire everything that you may need to know about the ring light and the tripod. Bye bye. Thank you so much.